we have the 2-inch flag spinner. As you can tell, moves around pretty easy. Just barely having to touch it. As you can tell, the bottom moves a little bit whenever my finger gets jumpy or don't exactly push it the right way, but it turns really easy. And to put it on the flagpole, just loosen that screw up, put it on the flagpole, tighten it back up, that way it don't move up and down. Take this screw out, put the flag in it, put the screw back in, and then it'll be on your flagpole like these. They look good. They work great. Definitely worth the price. Definitely worth checking out. Flagrings.com.